Did you know that around 85% of men can't recognize when they're being cheated on? Shocking, right? But don't worry, because today I'll be sharing some crucial insights that might entirely transform the way you see your relationship. Before we dive in, if you're looking to level up in life, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button now. Let's get to the point. Men, listen carefully, as what I'm about to share could be the key to uncovering some of the deepest IIEs of female behavior. You've probably heard that women are masters at concealing their true intentions. Well, that's not just a myth. When it comes to infidelity, women tend to be far more subtle and strategic than men. While some of you may leave behind obvious clues, when being unfaithful, many women possess an almost artistic ability to disguise their actions. But don't be disheartened. Today, I'll reveal 6 common phrases women use when they cheat, and phrases that often slip right past men unnoticed. Imagine this: what if your partner's words were telling you something you hadn't even noticed? Do you really know what's going on in your relationship? Has your partner ever used one of these 6 phrases without you even suspecting a thing? Don't miss a second of this, as this information could be the turning point between living in a lie or discovering a truth that could change your life forever. Without further ado, let's start. Number 1, so understands me so well. When your partner repeatedly mentions someone else, especially in a positive or admiring way, this could be a red flag. Phrases like so understands me might appear harmless at first glance, but often carry more weight. This could signal that she's forming an emotional connection with this person, a bond that may deepen over time. This isn't just an innocent comparison. It's a subtle hint that someone outside the relationship may give her more than you do. This could be a precursor to emotional or even physical involvement, suggesting she's creating distance from you and seeking comfort elsewhere. If you notice she frequently compares you to so-and-so or lavishly praises this person, it's important to consider who this person is and what role they play in her life. Be alert to these signs and take steps to understand the situation better in order to protect your relationship. Number 2, don't worry, I'm just going out with some friends. This phrase might sound innocent, but it can hide deeper complexities and potential dishonesty. Often those who are hiding something will use routine excuses to cover up what's really going on. Saying she's just going out with friends could be a tactic to prevent you from asking too many questions or feeling suspicious, allowing her to do things outside the home that might not be as innocent as they seem. If you hear this often or notice inconsistencies in her stories, it's crucial to stay alert. Frequent use of this excuse combined with vague explanations could signal that something isn't right. Being aware of these subtleties can help protect your relationship's integrity. Number 3, I need more space for myself. When a partner asks for more space, it can sound like a genuine request for balance, but it's worth exploring what it might really mean. Often this need for space is used to create opportunities to spend time apart, potentially with someone else. Though this desire for more space might seem like an effort toward personal growth, it can actually be a pretext for growing emotional or physical distance in a relationship. If you notice that her request for space seems to result in time spent on things she doesn't share with you, or she's interacting with you less, it's important to pay attention. Such signs may point to a hidden agenda and could impact the relationship. Number 4, I'm working late. Tonight, a common excuse used to explain absences is work. If your partner starts to mention working late or doing overtime frequently, this could be a red flag worth investigating. While it might sound like a reasonable explanation, it often masks something deeper. When this excuse becomes a routine occurrence, it's wise to observe any shifts in her schedule and how she reacts when questioned. Sudden overtime inconsistencies in her stories or other suspicious behaviors might suggest a different story entirely. The way she responds to your doubts and the explanation she provides can offer vital clues. Number 5, I think we need some time apart. When a partner suggests taking time apart, this phrase may seem like a genuine attempt to address relationship issues, but often hides more complex intentions. This request for a break can create an opportunity for infidelity to occur without direct interference from the partner. It's sometimes a way to test the partner's response, set the stage for what's next, or alleviate any guilt she may be feeling. If the suggestion comes up suddenly and without much context, consider the possibility that there's more behind it than just a need for space. The frequency of such requests and the manner in which they're can reveal her true motives. Number 6, you deserve someone better than me. When she says you deserve someone better than me, this phrase might seem loaded with humility or regret, but it can signal something deeper. This is often a subtle acknowledgement that she's aware of inappropriate behavior, such as an affair, and is seeking to shift some of the responsibility. By saying this, she could be indirectly paving the way for a possible separation. Although it sounds like an honest reflection of her inadequacies, this can actually be a tactic to ease the guilt of infidelity. Each of these phrases carries its own weight and potential hidden meanings, so understanding these signs can be crucial for the health of your relationship now. The question is, have you heard any of these before? Remember, awareness is the first step in protecting what matters to you. If you found this information helpful, take a moment to like this video, share it with friends who might need these insights, and subscribe for more content that can empower you in your relationships.